Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and thorough product insights. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best display frame solution on the market, the new newnewshow 8.5x11 acrylic sign holder 3-pack. If you're looking for a versatile, clear, and sturdy way to showcase your important content, this acrylic sign holder might just be the perfect fit. This product features a double-sided vertical display design that allows you to present your content on both sides of the frame. This means whether you're setting it up in a restaurant, office, or at an event, your message can be seen from multiple angles, significantly enhancing visibility and engagement. The sign holder stands firmly thanks to its thickened 9mm base, providing excellent stability on any flat surface. This sturdy base prevents wobbling or tipping, making it reliable for daily use. The acrylic material used here is of high transparency, resembling glass but without the fragile weight. This clarity gives your displayed menus, advertisements, or flyers a professional and polished look, enhancing the overall presentation. However, because of its glass-like transparency, it's important to handle the product with care to avoid any accidental damage. A unique feature of this sign holder is its triangular groove-stable design. The frame's panel is crafted with a triangular structure that fits perfectly into the base's groove, ensuring the stand remains balanced and stable. This thoughtful design means you can confidently place it on any desk, countertop, or tabletop without worrying about it falling over. The new newnewshow acrylic sign holder is incredibly versatile in its applications. Whether you want to display menus at a restaurant, brochures at a trade show, promotions in a retail store, or signs at receptions and hotels, this product adapts effortlessly. It supports multiple paper sizes, including 8.5 by 11 inches, and also offers options for smaller sizes like 8.5 by 5.5 and 5 by 7 inches. Both in vertical and horizontal orientations, allowing you to customize your display according to your specific needs. Measuring 8.5 by 11 inches with a depth of about 1.8 inches, this sign holder is compact yet spacious enough to hold standard letter-sized documents clearly and elegantly. It comes in a pack of 3, providing excellent value for small businesses, events, or even home use. In summary, the new newnewshow acrylic sign holder is a blend of style, durability, and practicality. Its double-sided display feature maximizes exposure, while the thick base and triangular groove design ensure stability. Crafted from highly transparent acrylic, it delivers an eye-catching and professional presentation for all your signage needs. Whether you're organizing an event, running a restaurant, or managing an office, this acrylic sign holder stands out as a top choice for showcasing your information clearly and effectively. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward product insights. See you next time.